What makes Shillong Shillong? It's the sound of the rain on tin roofs and pine trees that always looks like they're in deep thought. It's the weather changing 5 times a day. It's hot, cold, rain, sun, all in one. It's the auntie who knows your full family tree, 3 generations deep. It's the land of the Akor and Buram. It's traffic jams where no one moves, but somehow the music from the other car relaxes you. It's vendors walking around selling fruits and kwai on the roadside and pathway. It's parking in the weirdest angles, the secret shortcuts that only taxi drivers know, and trying to explain Ni Don Bosco mo ba
Ito na boss ko.
as an actual address. It's Sundays that are so silent that you can hear only church bells. And weekdays that start late because, why the rush? It's music in every corner, from church choirs to rock bands in garages. It's the sound of someone practicing a guitar, even if it's just 3 chords, over and over again. It's fashion. Well, it isn't just about clothes. It's comfort, confidence, the effortless flair and a mix of seeing heels and sneakers around. It's street food, someone selling momos, alumuri, boiled eggs, or that perfect cup of red tea or shasao. It's food in every corner. Every corner feeds a craving, whether it's Khasi or Korean or Chinese, Indian, Naga, Manipuri, many more. Hungry or not, you're tempted always. It's basketball courts that turn into futsal grounds, stadiums that double as concert venues, and playgrounds that belong to everyone. It's football fever all year round. It isn't just a game, it's a way of life where goalposts are made of slippers. And it's the places, oh the places, Warts Lake with its still waters, the Shillong golf course, a green so wide you forget the world for a moment. And there's like Loam's endless skies. And then the concerts. Big names, small bands, open air, sound checks, music in hidden cafes. Music doesn't just play here, it lives here. Shillong is not perfect. It's moody, dramatic, unpredictable. But that is Shillong, named after Ublay Shillong, the garden spirit believed to protect these hills. Maybe that's why the clouds linger and the wind feels like it knows its name. And once you fall in love with it, nowhere else feels quite right.